Affiliate marketing, how is it work and how you can earn money from it. Hi, so in today's video we're going to talk about what business model is affiliate marketing, where to start, and what's the best niche to start. Let's jump to it. Number 1, business model. So affiliate marketing is a commission-based business model. So you get commission every time you sell someone else's product or service. You are a middleman who promote the product to a potential buyer, and you earn money every time they buy the product. The more you promote, the bigger commission you can earn. Why affiliate marketing is so popular in online business? All you have to do is sales and marketing. You don't need a store or e-commerce store, and you don't need to create the product. You don't have to deal with the product or with distribution. And you don't have to deal with the customer service or even a complaint. And also, in terms of commission, some product can offer up to 70% commission. How cool is that? And some digital product can offer a long-term commission. For example, if someone purchases an app and then they join the monthly subscription for $50 per month, if they offer a 50% commission sales, that is $25 per month per people. And if you have 100 people, that's $2,500 per month. Interesting, right? Let's go number 2, where you can start. There are many places you can start to become an affiliate marketing, and most of the app and service internet offer an affiliate program. So in this video, I will show you top 2 sites that offer affiliate program. Number 1 is Amazon. Of course, not this Amazon River. So Amazon offer a 24 hours deal. So if you bring a potential buyer to the site, and for the next 24 hours, you can earn commission for everything that potential buyer buy from that site. Here are some of the commission you can get from a different product category. And then Amazon offer up to 20% commission. Here are some products that have been advertised by the affiliate marketer. So if you click the advertise, that will get you to the Amazon site. And if you buy it, the person who advertised this product will get the commission every time you buy. Okay, next site is Clickbank. In Clickbank, before you can see the marketplace, you have to first sign up and you have to fill in all of the information they need. So here's the marketplace page. They divide a category based on passion. You can choose a business, computer, cooking, e-business, fiction, games, health, and home. And then you can see on the right, there's an average commission. And then the bottom is promote. So all you have to do is click the promote, and then they will give you a link. That's called a hop link. So you want to promote that link, and every time someone click that link, they will go to Clickbank, and then you get commission if they buy. So the last ones, what's the best niche to start? If you love cooking, you can sell all things about cooking. Maybe you can sell a recipe, you can sell a pan, a microwave, anything about kitchen. And if you want to go to the health niche, maybe you can sell work from home exercise product. That's a cool one. So my recommendation, you can go to what are you passionate about, or something that you are an expert, or maybe something that you want to learn. Okay, if you are just about to start and then you're still confused, this is my best recommendation. Okay, so you go for health, wealth, and relationship. Why? Because people always looking for something concerning their health, and we're always looking for a better opportunity to raise our income, right? And also we are living among family and friends that build a relationship, and let's make these 3 niches is evergreen niche. Hope you can get a picture now. Okay, if you want a 4-video series training about how to make money online, you can check the link down below. I'll see you on the next video.